Charlie's new Spider 918. Jamie, this is well cool. It was one of his Christmas presents. I got it just a minute ago actually. But watch this is real cool. How cool is that? Now watch. I think if I can get the right one. Wrong one. Hang on. How cool. Can you hear the radio playing? How cool is that? And when you shut the doors, and when you open the doors, it's like stealing the car. You press this button here, I don't know if it's the same one, is it? You can lock the car as well. Is that cool or what? Lock it, or unlock it, start the car up. Well, somebody's trying to nick it. Well, I think that's well cool. Lovely car, isn't it? Huh? It's a Porsche 918 Spider.